guys, now we're going to move to subtracting fractions. Just like with adding, we have to find our least common multiple so that we have these will be common units, okay? The same unit, not common, the same. So I'm going to list 3 and 6, and some of us can eye this by now and say, oh, I know 6 is going to be our least common. But for those of you that are still unsure, remember we're just listing our multiples until we get to the least common on the same row. So I know for both of these, my least common multiple will be 6. Now I need to find the relationship. Well, how did I get from 3 to 6? I know 3 times 2 is 6, or 6 is my second multiple in my row. So now I have 2 times 2, which is 4. Just bring down my whole number. And then how did I get from 6 to 6? Well, that stays the same. That's just times 1. So that means our numerator will also stay the same, and my whole number, I just bring that down. So now I need to subtract 5, 6 from 4, 6. I don't worry about my whole numbers right now. I know that I cannot take 5 from 4. Okay, we learned that back in first grade. You only have 4, 6 available. You need to take 5, 6 away. Well, I've got to borrow from my whole number. This becomes 6, and since I'm working out of sixths, I've got to add 6 sixths to this. So now I have 6 and 10 sixths minus 2 and 5 sixths. Okay? Now I can subtract 5 from 10. So I know 10 minus 5 is 5. Of course, my denominator stays the same, and then I can work with my whole numbers. 6 minus 2 is 4. So my answer here should have been 4 and 5 sixths.